Oh no! The compressor of our Tesla is broken, the air conditioner doesn't work anymore, and also the battery cannot be cooled. Luckily, the local Tesla people here in Albuquerque are very helpful, and within one day the car is fixed again. So our crew had the time to even enjoy a beautiful sunset over the city of Albuquerque. But before we talk even more about our Tesla, let's make clear one thing. Tesla is not our sponsor. They are not supporting us in any way. But still, we love our car because so far it's a very reliable car. It has driven more than 110,000 miles, and today this was the first major breakdown we had on this world tour. Have you ever seen such a car? Fully electric and with 443 horsepower? Let's show it to you. It seats 7 people, there's luggage space not just in the back but also in the front. We love the computer in the middle, but the most we love the butterfly doors. It has a range of up to 400 kilometers, and when pulling the 3-ton solar butterfly, it can still travel up to almost 200 kilometers. But the best thing about it, our car runs on solar energy. No emissions at all. That's what the world needs.